Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we compare some of the best products in the market. In today's video, we are going to compare two USB microphones that are perfect for home studio, gaming, singing, chatting, live streaming, and much more. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Let's get started. When it comes to sound quality, TECURS USB microphone delivers a professional sound with its built-in sound chipset, cardioid pickup pattern, 192 kHz, 24-bit high sampling rate, and 30 Hz to 20 kHz wide frequency response. Whereas MRSDY USB microphone also delivers a great sound experience, but TECURS USB microphone is a clear winner here. Both microphones have a one-touch mute button. The only difference is TECURS USB microphone indicates the microphone is in use with its red LED light, whereas MRSDY USB microphone's button turns solid green when muted. MRSDY USB microphone has a separate noise reduction switch that minimizes harsh noises like PC fans and AC units. TECURS USB microphone doesn't have an explicit noise reduction switch, but its professional sound chipset does a great job of minimizing unwanted noise. MRSDY USB microphone takes the lead with its built-in 8 RGB lights that change various color modes in a gradient manner. TECURS USB microphone does not have an RGB lighting system. TECURS USB microphone has a 3.5mm headphone jack to monitor your voice efficiently, whereas MRSDY USB microphone's headphone output provides direct latency-free monitoring. TECURS USB microphone supports both 3-pole TRS and 4-pole TRRS headphones, while MRSDY USB microphone supports both with no specifics mentioned. Both microphones have a quick mute button within easy reach, and the indication changes based on whether the microphone is working or muted. When it comes to design, MRSDY USB microphone leads with its LED switch that controls the RGB light and the quick mute button. MRSDY USB microphone has an additional volume knob that enables louder output and is more sensitive, making sure your voice is heard well enough when gaming, video recording, or VoIP calls. TECURS USB microphone does not have an additional volume knob. TECURS USB microphone is priced at $43, while MRSDY USB microphone is priced at $19, making it more affordable. While TECURS USB microphone has additional features like better sound quality, noise reduction, and headphone jack, it also costs more, so it depends on your personal preference and budget. That's all for today's comparison between TECURS USB microphone and MRSDY USB microphone. Both microphones have unique features and are perfect for different use cases. It's important to choose the one that fits your demands and budget accordingly. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such comparisons and unboxings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.